Raduino circuit board supplied with micro BITX has an Arduino soldered to the Raduino board, control lines for the display unit, SI5251 a PLL clock generator chip, 5-volt regulator and a 16-pin connector to the micro BITX main board. Arduino is the microcontroller which runs the BITX radio. Connections are there to front and or rear panel components like key jack, power supply connector and rotary encoder. Rotary encoder is an electromechanical device that converts the angular position or motion of a shaft to analog or digital output signals. Typical use of a rotary encoder is as the tuning control. Arduino Nano can be programmed by connecting a USB cable from the computer to the USB Mini B port on the Arduino Nano. Firmware for the Raduino Arduino control is available from the GitHub page of VU2ESC. Other versions of firmware by different authors are also available online. If the Raduino is damaged by any reason, there are options to replace either the individual components or use alternate boards for the same purpose. Some also upgrade with higher level devices for more features. Detailed instructions are available at ubitx.net webpage by Zulu Lima 1 Alpha X-Ray Golf. Alternate options for Raduino discussed there include Raduino UMAX by WA6ISP and Rad12 Zeno by W0EB, W2CTX and 5IB. Detailed instruction on how to get these options and nice pictures of the options are also available on the same page. As a disclaimer, I have not used any of these. Just providing the information for BITX users in this region whom I hear daily on the air on 40 meter. Most of them use BITX along with a linear amplifier, often the one by VU2EVQ. I have been told by VU3CG that though VU2EVQ linear amplifier is out of production, PCBs are available on request. It is an amplifier optimized for BITX for 40 meter operations as per VU3GEX. There is also a wonderful BITX community at groups.io BITX20 with very active discussions on various options of micro BITX, SBITX and the forthcoming ZBITX, in which VU2ESC also participates. I do enjoy learning a lot about various aspects of BITX from the email group and discussions with BITX users on the air.